Whoa! Check out the mirror behind. How do I install it? That side is a bomb shelter. You cannot drill. Hi, I'm Kim Si here. Welcome to tinycreaturehub. First timer, please do subscribe my channel. Check out my mirror. I just installed it. That mirror have been in my floor for about 1 year plus. I find a way to install it at the wall of this bomb shelter. This is what I use. Self Adhesive hanging nail. This one I saw it at Taobao, so I asked my girlfriend to buy for me. It's a sticker type. It got sticker. You can stick it at any type of wall. Even this type of cement wall, I also can stick it, and it's very sticky. And they come with a drill, the screw, so that you can hang the thing there. And they come with this one screw nut, different screw nut. This is one type of screw nut that is screwed all the way, and they also come with a screw nut with a round head. So it's very convenient if you want to fix something that the wall that you cannot drill with, because bomb shelter is not supposed to drill. That's why I find this very useful. If you ask me how much is this self-adhesive hanging nail, I do not know, because this one my girlfriend give me. They come with all the different length of this screw. Different length, they go short until very long. Let me show you the video. Showing you this hanging nail. Currently they only got 6 type of this hanging nail with different length. This is the longest one. The longest is 16. Then they come with 14, 12, 10, 8 and 6 mm. You need to buy them separately. This is the different length of each type of this adhesive nail. For now, I use the 6mm length the screw. For the other length, I did not use it. I think if you want to buy, you get the 6mm is enough. Don't buy the longer one. Longer, I don't think got any place to use it. 6mm or 8mm is enough to fix your anything that you want to fix. And I heard that this one you can be reusable. Mean that you can peel it off and stick it again. But I don't think you can peel it off at the cement wall with the paint there. I think kitchen or bathroom tiles, maybe you can peel it off and stick it again. It's very sticky. I haven't tried. If you try to peel it off and stick it again, let me know, does it work or not. And I also get this net from Daiso, but I get the wrong color. I want the white color. And the net holder, is white color, that's why I want white color. This I get the wrong color. If not, I can fix it with the self adhesive hanging nail. Until I get the white color, then I will fix it. This one is for my plant. I want to fix near the mirror so that I can hang those like drawer that I can put my plant there. But now I need the white color one. This hanger I bought from Daiso. This one, the white color hanger, and this is the nail lah. I also fix it. Now I say the fast one. Hope that this video helped you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.